Okay, we're at 604 Davis. Today is Saturday the 17th, and it's our big roofing day. This is Joe Hall, owner of Advanced Roofing Technologies, and he'll tell you what we're doing. Go ahead, Joe.
Okay, so you can see here, this is our drain. You can see the opening for the scupper. And what we've done here is we brought the drain down 2 inches below the lowest point on the roof. So this has been sumped. That way we can get a good flow of water. Everything's going to come to this corner. You can see how this saddle is going to divert all the water from here right down to this corner.
Right, and the carpenters built a cricket, which you can sort of see, which will move the water from the east side to the west side.
That's correct. That's correct. You've got a
Okay.
cricket or saddle that's diverting the water into this corner, which is what you want.
Okay.
We got the guys up here, they're torching down modified bitumen directly to the plywood, which is fine. And what they're doing, let me show you some of the details. You can see here that this sheet from the flat turns up the wall and terminates, and now this sheet comes over and terminates here, and you can see the well. Okay, so there, I mean, right here you can see the way the sheets are welded together. There's just no way that you're going to get any water back there.
So it's the old flash counter flash routine.
That's correct. Now another detail too, you can see here how this sheet now comes over. This sheet comes in like this, because at this point you've got a transition with the water. You've got some of the water running this way, so you want it running over your seams. You've got some of the water coming this way, you want it running over your seams.
Okay, what are we doing over here, Joe?
Okay, over here what we've got, you can see the skylights which need to be flashed in with modified bitumen. But if you want to follow me over.
Okay.
What we've got down is 4 inches of polyisocyanurate mechanically fastened to the gypsum deck with the special fastener. And what Bob's doing now, we're doing our cutoff. This is going to be our termination point for today.
Right.
Okay, so you can see the original roof deck. You can see we're up 4 inches with the insulation. And then we've got a SBS base sheet right here. Okay. And then this is basically got an adhesive back to it, okay? It's got an adhesive back to it, and that sticks directly to the insulation.
Okay, now what are those screws? Are those the length of screws we're using?
That's correct.
Okay.
Yeah. These are the screws that we're using to get into the gyp deck. These are 8-inch screws. Sometimes along the wall we've used 9-inch because it's a little thicker.
And they got washers that go on them too.
Oh, that is correct. Here's the whole assembly.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay. Got it. Okay.
So yeah, you've got basically a plate and a screw.
Yeah.
And that's the way that we're fastening the insulation to the original roof.
Okay. And tomorrow we'll catch the second half.
Yeah, that's correct. Tomorrow will be continued as we.
And we'll be using up all this pile of stuff.
That's correct. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Joe.